I've really been struggling with this throttle cable, just trying to make it the right length with an end and whatever. I tried solder, I tried some different things that I saw on YouTube that didn't work, but I mean, these things get made all the time. There's got to be a way. So here's my current plan. I've made myself a bit of a crucible. I'm going to melt some fishing weights in it slowly and gently so they don't burn, which was kind of a problem before. I'm going to heat the end of this up with some flux, dip it in, and hopefully get a little ball on the end, and it will be better melted into the wire than the other one, which was sort of crimped on and melted, but the more I heated it, then it kind of melted off. So I'm hoping that this will work to melt into the cable and stick on there and not come off. That's my hope. Okay, let's see. At the end of this cable nice and hot. Get some flux on it. And then, look at that, it's not collecting on there at all. Does it have to be cold maybe? That's kind of working now. Now the $1,000,000 question is, is it actually stuck on there? I'm going to let this cool and then we'll find out. Pulled right off. So that's a no-go. Man, running out of ideas here, and it's not getting any longer, so that's kind of that. I think I'm going to try it again with solder. See if that's any better. Fluxy flux, 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 flux. Okay, starting to melt. I'm going to keep feeding solder into here. The fluxed cable in. Ooh, it's like bubbling, and it seems to be going in. Oh man, we might be onto something now. Yeah. It's not pretty, but if it holds on there, then I'll be a happy, happy, happy man. Woo! That was fun. A whole lot of messing around. I think we have something that seems to be on there fairly strong. So, thank goodness. Oh, I wish I'd put this rubber on first. This has been a debacle, to put it mildly. I'm going to tell you right now, if you're watching this, there's a lot that got cut that you didn't get to see. You've probably seen I've been struggling to tune the 22mm carb for the engine, and there's some thought out there that 97 cc's is just a little too small for a 22mm carburetor. So, you know, logically you would just try and find a smaller carburetor. Roland, I'm not going to say that you're wrong, but I think I've cracked it. I think I've found a way to make the 22mm carb work on this DB30, and that is with a Honda GC160 5 horsepower friend and subscriber of the channel, Tom, actually, who we got Goldie Hawn from, contacted me and said he just was cleaning out his shop a bit and would I be interested in this engine. And let me tell you, yes, I was. So that is amazing. You can see I've already stripped off the carb, the intake, the fuel tank, the exhaust. I'm going to have to figure out some things to make it work in this application. First thing that I've noticed is that the shaft is a totally different size, so the original clutch is not going to work. The exhaust which we fitted to this 97 is not going to work. So I may run with a stock exhaust at least for a while, or I don't know. I haven't been able to find anything that I'm confident will fit just yet. So may have to make something. I don't know. I mean, how much do we spend on the thing, right? That's going to be a pretty awesome upgrade. I got to take this and wash it up, clean it up, repair the recoil housing, just where the cord comes through. It's just worn through. I think I can repair it. It's going to be a pretty good upgrade. So stay tuned, stick around. We're going to work on getting this into there.